Charlie, and I'm also a student of Miss Elza right here.
I'm Elza Ritter, piano teacher. Charlie is my student, and we are checking this book out and see if Charlie ready for etudes for 50 short studies by Czerni, and it's edition by Germer. So it's very famous studies, short ones, but pretty challenging. Usually in Russia, we play them in the music school. It's like must. Okay, Opus 139, number 1. And I think I'm gonna ask Charlie, what was a challenge for this one, Charlie, if you notice?
There's a lot of like repeating motions on the
For
right hand.
which fingers? What is the more? So I would say this, fingers 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah.
This is the most challenging. What is the most troublemaker for the whole all 5 fingers?
Maybe a pinky.
No, finger 4,
Oh, yeah.
the most trouble maker for us because it is the weak by was just built up like this. There's something to do with the joints between 3 and 4, 4 and 5. So challenge for this 3, 4, 5, especially 4. And now left hand. So for left hand, actually drill for 3, 2, and 1. 1 is also not easy. Finger would challenge us because it's on the side. It's different than other fingers. Plus the turns. Very complicated. 1, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5. So this rotation between 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5. Also challenging. Required fingers dexterity. Now, what is also, Charlie, so special in the etudes or studies? There's lots of repetitions, right?
Yeah.
And why do you think lots of repetitions in the studies or etudes? Because we're drilling something, right? We focus on some techniques, or
We're drilling on our fingers.
we're drilling certain positions, we're drilling certain combinations of fingers, because those etudes or studies exist, right? They are specifically for make our fingers be more flexible, movable, and of course lots of repetition, because it's boring if I give you exercise, Charlie, play. Times. Oh my god, no, I cannot. But if you play etude, you might do like 10 times, no problem, right? It's a song, and you even did not notice. Oh, you practice this pattern 50 times actually. Okay, let's see number 3. So I would say here, pinkies keep repeating, and 1, 2, 3, 4, keep rotating. So this would be exercise on rotation, flexibility, side to side movements. Okay, left hand, the same thing. Seems like left hand even more advanced, going down, intervals down from fifth, sixth, seven to octave. Okay, Charlie, I have a question for you. So if we don't have this flexibility from side to side, what is the challenge? I mean, like if we, let's say, have a trouble play this etude flexibly, moving fingers like that. What do you think? What kind of trouble those students have? Hard question, I know. Students who don't have this ability move fingers side to side, they have a very tensed this arch, this bridge, the hand muscles right here. So this exercise would teach students to loosen up. I remember when I was studying, and my teacher would say, imagine that you are like twisting the light ball in and out, in and out. So this is kind of a good exercise for the wrist, but at the same time, when you play, it's also give you the same idea of this motion. Okay, number 5. Let's guess, Charlie, what number 5 teaching us.
Chord to chord quickly.
Actually, moving not chord but intervals.
Yeah.
Intervals 1 3 intervals thirds. But fingers changing, right? Now 2 4 3 5 1 3 2 4 3 5. Yep, intervals thirds, but this is kind of very popular position. If we need to play something quickly, it's going to be exactly this fingerings 1 3 2 4 3 5, even it's different notes. So this is preparing us for play this type of could be passages, runs for the pieces. And let's review, Charlie, why we're learning all this technical stuff? Why we wanna learn how to play this passage and this scale and the arpeggios and the chords? Why?
Probably to make your hand more flexible when playing actual songs. It's kind of like warming up.
You got it. It's not just warming up. It gives you the skills. It gives you this foundation of technique. So when you play songs, yes, your hands are, we can do it. Exactly. Good point, Charlie. You were saying exactly what I was going to say. Which hand, Charlie, do you think more difficult? Right hand or left hand?
Maybe a left hand.
Why?
Because usually sometimes, since it's kind of like inverted, some people are more used to right hand, and sometimes left hand gets kind of tricky when trying to play the...
I think it depends on student, depends on a person, because if you're right-handed, like me, my right hand is stronger by the nature, so left hand is more challenged.
Yeah.
The students, the people who have a dominating left hand, for them left hand easier than right hand.
Yeah.
Okay, and what would be suggestion, advice for, let's say, right-handed people who has some difficulties with left hand exercises, studies, what they should do, Charlie?
I like practice doing the left hand
More
more.
than right hand, exactly, or reverse. If the student is left-handed, his left hand is dominating, so he would like to challenge right hand more, because right hand for that student will be more difficult, right? Number 7, Charlie. I'm gonna play 7 and 8 and we're done.
Okay.
I'm gonna play one more time, and you think, Charlie, so I wanna answer from you what here might be challenge, what kind of technique. So definitely the first line, 2 bars, here is what we need to drill, and we need to drill here. It's actually similar to number 5. Number 5 was teaching us play intervals like one after another. Here it has a kind of turn, kind of like a hook, like a loop. So teach us not just play straight fingers up, but up and down, up and down, up and down. So have this very fancy moves, right?
Yeah.
So this is more challenging and interesting. The second line, simple what is it, Charlie? A scale, what we already supposed to know, and it gives us some sense of nice finishing, not too difficult ending, right? With little challenges between. Right here, we're kind of exercising what we just learned in the first line, those loops and big interval, big jump to from C to C, and again last loop, right? Okay, number 8, the last one. I'll play for now. This is challenging us on left hand, and it's more advanced than previous one, number 7, interval thirds, and they go legato, harmonically, blocked intervals one after another. Left just gives a little run, comparing to left hand. Right hand is much easier than left hand. Why is the right hand easier? Can you tell me, Charlie? So I'm playing number 8.
I like because it's like the right hand and left hand are probably trying to make a melody.
I'm asking why is the right hand has a easier challenge than left hand. Here's the right hand interval thirds. Right? Because how many of them? Here's just 4. Here's just 4. 4, 3, 3, 3. The group of 3, group of 4 is much easier to handle Then group of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So much more difficulties, right? And in the end, again, Czerni likes to give something more cute in the end, less intervals, smaller group. How many? 5. 5. And finish with the chords for the left hand. So I would suggest whoever is gonna learn this one, play non-legato, play staccato before you start play legato. Even before you start play legato, all this group of how many? 13 we counted?
Yeah, 13.
4, 4, 4, 12, 13, right. Play by small segments, like just 3. Add one by one. 4, 5. So you play many, let's say 5, 10 times each segment. Until you finish this whole group with 13, because it's so easy to overwork muscles and just damage your hand if you start playing legato right away and if you're not ready. Very challenging. Etude number 8. Okay, everyone, bye. This was Czerni Germer, Volume 1 by publication by Alfred. Charlie, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hope you have a good day.
Yes, or good night, or good morning.